Hey guys, it's Riza and welcome to my very first video on my YouTube channel. Ito po yung una kong video. Finally, nakagawa na ako ng video. At yung kay. For today's video is going to be what's on my iPhone. iPhone 6s Rose Gold. Basag yung temper. Kasi nabasa ko.
Yung parang baby mo na.
Ito po yung wallpaper ko.
Wala ka yun, no?
Sarap, no?
Yung unang makikita nyo.
Ito dark, ito hindi.
Sarap sa phone ko. Camera. Photos. Calendar.
Saan?
Messages. Notes. TV. Clock. Weather. Stocks. And then yung mga hindi ko nagagamit.
Ayan! May taglang.
Which is and App Store, settings, FaceTime, Gmail, contacts, Waze, Uber, and yung mga messages. Ito na, yung mga favorite ko. Part ng phone ko. First folder is editing. First makikita niyo po ay Snapseed, Visco, Afterlight, Boomerang, 36012, Square is Square Fit, Photo Grid, Intro Maker, Video Editor, Pocket Video, Time Pack. Hindi ko alam kung bakit nandyan. And PixArt, pero itong Pinterest na hindi siya kasi. Ang pangalawa is social media.
Tsaka may biscuit yan.
Yan, meron akong Instagram, Musical.ly, Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter, Lively, and YouTube. Ayan, YouTube. Third is yung mga education. Mga dictionary po. Ayan. English to Tagalog, dictionary Tagalog to English, translator to, I don't know, and then dictionary po, and translate. Ako ko yan nasa ibang bansa, tapos hindi ko maintindihan, hindi ka nila maintindihan ng English, ita-translate niya. And then, meron akong music folder. Nandyan, yung isang app na unang-una po ay hindi dapat siya nandyan kasi siya mga fonts, and then Sing, Spotify, iFile Organizer. Ito po yung mga magulong things sa phone. Ito, ayan, Lazada, OLX, Currency, tama po ba? Netflix, Vine, Wallpapers, Flipagram, and then folder, my games. May heart yung isang games na nakalagay kasi ito yung mga favorite game ko po. Ito, GTA San Andreas sa kapatid ko. The Line, Color Switch. Zombie Tsunami, Tetris Free, Black Hexa, Spin Out, Slither Yo, Magic Touch, Dumb Ways, Swing, 2 Cars, The Tower, Dumb Ways to Die, Stack, Toka, Monster, Skyward, Jelly Jump, Stick Hero, Toka Kitchen 2, Cookie Fever, Clash of Clans, Kendall and Kylie, because I love Kylie, and Kendall, Word Search, Mobile Legends, and ito yung mga hindi ko favorite ko. Walang card. Focus on me. Forever. Pero walang forever. Joke. Fish Dam, Plants vs. Zombie 2, Slendrina, favorite ni Bash, Pineapple Pen, Pokemon Go, Genius Sword 1, Player Extreme, hindi ko alam kung bakit nandiyan pa yan. And Zombie Brazi, Zombarazi, kay Demi. Piano Tiles 2, Black Puzzle, Pet Rescue, Coloring Book, Dot, Candy Crush, Arrow, Dumb Ways to Die 3. Plants vs. Zombie, Heroes, Swipe Arrows, Tokalab, Mannequin Challenge. Mario Run, Countdown, Angry Birds. Yan. Ayan na po yung mga laman ng aking selfie.
Sila naman po provide ng bago.
Mga special.
Nothing too special.
Kapag siya.
Hello. So,
What was the last selfie you had on your phone?
last selfie. It's so...
Pag yung mga ganun.
Ito yung magandang selfie. Boom, 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 boom. So, yeah, guys. That's it for my first video for my YouTube channel. So, thank you guys for watching this video. Please give it a big thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to follow my social media, I will just put the link down sa subscription box para makita niyo po doon. And please subscribe. Kailangan po talaga subscriber po. And ayun. I-comment niyo lang po kung anong next video gusto yung gawin ko para magawa natin yan. And thank you guys.